Hello and welcome back. So today we are working with the real number system. So the very first thing we are looking at are things called natural numbers. Natural numbers. And natural numbers, I'm going to call Elmo numbers. And the reason I call them that is because if you've ever seen Sesame Street or anything to do with Elmo, he counts things. He's dealing with little kids who can't quite understand negative numbers, let alone zero. So they are always positive, and they are from 1 to infinity. They are always positive, and they are from 1 to infinity. Okay? The next one is going to be whole numbers. Whole numbers. Whole numbers. And whole numbers are still positive, but they start at 0 instead of 1. They start at 0 instead of 1. The next type of number that we are going to look at are integers. These are the numbers that we've worked with a little bit already this year. When we added and subtracted positive and negative numbers, that's what an integer is. So it is a whole number. I'm sorry, not a whole number. It is a whole number. But it's positive, it's negative, and also includes 0. A positive number, a negative number, and it includes 0. The one thing that it does not include are fractions and decimals. It does not include fractions and decimals. Okay? So the next one we're going to look at are called rational numbers. Rational. And these are real numbers because we are in the real number system, meaning you could place them on a number line. That can be written as a decimal that is repeating, or it could be terminating, a ratio, and fraction. Okay? So, rational numbers are decimals that repeat or terminate, a ratio, or a fraction. Okay? And terminating is just a really fancy word meaning stops. That's all that terminating is. And a ratio and a fraction are saying the same thing. Okay? So on the flip side of this are called irrational. Irrational. They're still a real number, but they are non-repeating and non-terminating decimals. And they cannot be written as a fraction. Okay? So make sure you have that copied down.